Ito na yung results ng plant ko na. This is the result already. The one that I plant in the bamboo. It's already grown up. Yeah, this one, some I already harvest. I will take the first. This is the last harvest already. So have the bottom one. The rest I already harvest. So this one on the below one, some I left over have one because I already harvest. So this one, see, I'll show you guys. It's all grown up, and have still one here. This still have a few weeks for this. So guys, I'm gonna cook today bulalo, and I'm gonna cook in a simple way. So okay, ingredients ko. Yan, pechay from my garden, potatoes, onion, saka cabbage. Yung black pepper nilagay ko na para ano, tapos salt, saka dahil wala akong patis, yan, bagoong na lang. Okay.
Okay guys, now the dish is prepared. I will show you first. See, show this one. See, this is rice with mungo. It's small sprouts. Okay, and this is the main dish, bulalo. Okay, beef. So they mix with the cabbage and then some pechay and some potato also they put. This is very nice. See this one, see, beef. Okay, and the other dish is Katuray. Katuray is salad. Okay, it's not yet cooked, fresh. Okay,
No, it's half cooked.
Half cooked the flour, and then the tomato they chopped and they mix with the fish sauce. This one is Bagoong, and that is, you know. Okay, now I will taste the bulalo main dish. I'll taste the soup first. The soup taste is beef, and then cabbage. I can taste the fresh cabbage taste. Just everything is not too much cooked, half cooked only, but the beef is nicely cooked, and the potato is also nicely cooked. See, now I will taste a little bit beef. See?
Need to boil some more.
It's nice. I will eat with the rice, and see the pechay. It's nicely cooked. Very soft, and when I touch it, I can feel the softness. It's nicely cooked, and the cabbage is also nicely cooked. See how it is. See, yeah, this one why I am touching with the finger means I am only going to eat. Those you don't like. Okay guys, and Katurey. See, this one is very tasty. Thick, close. See, I can feel the fish sauce saltiness, and also it's nicely cooked. Very tasty. Okay guys, I need to eat. Everything is too much. I have to finish up all the things, and I hope everyone liked this video, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment below. Bye. God bless everyone.